It's a beautiful day to be in the woods. Peace and quiet. You gotta love it. I was thinking about maybe jacking it up and putting new cribbing underneath it. I see ants. That's a bad sign. Hopefully my floor is still in good shape. Ooh, needs a sharpening. That's pretty sharp, actually. Feels pretty sharp. I love this little saw. It's light. It's an arbor saw for climbing trees. Arborists use them. And I have all the arborist gear. I might climb a tree at the camp and turn it into a flagpole. I was thinking that the other day. It'd be a good idea. Climb it, take the top off it, and debark it. Make a flagpole out of it. I think that's a great idea. Good day for some trail maintenance. Clear skies, nice temperatures. Hi everyone. Today's a holiday in Nova Scotia, so I didn't have to work today. I came to the woods, which I enjoy very much. It's Indigenous Day. Not sure if it's a stat holiday. It's good to have the day off. Come to the woods, trim a little wood, trim a little bit of the trail here. It's a beautiful day. I can't believe it. It's warm. It's probably 18 degrees, I'm gonna say 16, too far off. It's a beautiful day to be in the woods, peace and quiet. You gotta love it. First chore of the day, let's put my handle back on that I lost a couple weeks ago with my jack. I brought up a socket. Oop, that goes that way. And that goes that way. And that goes like that. I lost this in the grass over by the cabin. I was lucky to find it. That should hold. I probably should cut the bottoms off these boards, see if I can look underneath, see what kind of shape they're in. Cabin's been here for 30 years. Hopefully my floor is still in good shape. I should have probably cut these off a while back. A little bit of dry rot, nothing crazy. Board's still in pretty good shape. I just want to bring it up so I can get some airflow there. Probably should move that stuff away from the cabin. Old scaffolding that I had here. An old tree stand ladder made of aluminum. Put that up in the tree and you climb the tree. Pretty cool. My ladder. Get up on my roof. This old scaffolding. The trees grew right through it. What else do I got here? I'll watch out for hornet's nests too. Old sink. More glass. Ooh. Rotten windows. Should have my gloves on. Better put my gloves on. I had to clean this out anyways. If I put new asphalt on the roof, I'd set up my scaffolding right here. So I need this area cleaned up. Garbage. Clean this out a little more. I was thinking about maybe jacking it up and putting new cribbing underneath it. Because I'm sure the cribbing could be bad, it might not be bad, I'm not sure. I like to check it though. Can't see underneath there. That's my sill underneath there. It's a creosote pole. I have 3 of them. I really should jack it up. Dig it out, see if I can get my jack underneath there. And jack it up and check. Make sure my blocking is good. If I can get underneath here somewhere to get a jack. I'll have to dig that out with a shovel. I see ants. Well, that's a bad sign. That's why I should dig it all out. I don't want ants in my camp. Let's see if I can dig this out a little bit. I got a hatchet. I can dig with that a little bit. The cabin's settled over the years. It's probably due time I jack it up. Stump or rock? Sounds like a rock. Yeah. see ants. I don't like ants in my wood. Look at that. See them? That's not good. They get in the walls, and then they get into your studs and your walls, and it's not a good thing. I have some ant spray in the cabin. It's not a good thing when you got ants. They can play havoc. They get in the walls of the camp, and then they start eating your lumber, eating your walls, your 2x4s. And I did a window over on the north side there one time a few years ago, and they had a nest inside the wall. Thousands of them. It wasn't good. It was a good thing I found it, but I got to do some work here. I got to dig that all up. Dig all along the edge there and jack it up. Jack the whole camp up. Jack it right in the center. That pole's pretty strong. It's a telephone pole. I'll let that ant stuff do its thing. Ant out. Must have had a nest there. I'll give them a good soaking. I didn't plan on this today, but I'm glad I did start it because it's good to know what's underneath here. This is the lifeline of your cabin, is the floor, the base. That's my generator plug-in. The camp settled a lot, and I can't believe how much it settled. I have to jack it up. It's going to be a project. Okay, let's try this again with a sharp chain. I think the old cabin needs to be jacked up. Settled a lot. That's my center stringer there. And that's pretty much sitting on the ground. Cabin's been here for 30 years, so stands to reason. Gotta do some jacking. Troubles under the cabin with the sills. That's a good little project, I guess. Big project. It's got to be all shoveled out. Try to get a bottle jack underneath there. I love doing projects like this. It's a good little project. Let's take a walk to the apple pile. See if Mr. Bear's been back. He's only going to get a few more apples out of it, and that's it. Once they're gone, they're gone. I had a coyote on the camera. Oh, I was nervous to see a bear out. They do come out in broad daylight as well as dark. Mostly at nighttime though. They're nocturnal. Might have been just passing through. Hard to say. You can smell for 20 miles away on good conditions. 20 miles is a long ways. It's like 35 kilometers. Nothing's been back, which is good. I guess the deer ain't back either. Let's take a walk through here. over to the lake in the swamp here. See if there's any tracks around. Hard to see tracks in here, but something put their foot in there. See that? Scuffed the moss. So dry. Normally you wouldn't be able to walk in here with boots on. It's hard to believe how dry it is. Not a lick of water. Never be able to walk across here any other time of year, or any other year for that matter. Deer are walking through here still. Let's head back to the cabin. You cut the spruce, it don't come back. You cut the hardwood whips, the hardwood, and it comes back tenfold. Can't get rid of it. I should dig up the ground. Let's take a walk down the lake. Tradition. The whole reason to come up to this beautiful spot. One big part of it is to come down to the lake. We didn't get no hardwood split today, but we will be back. We will be back. I'll get that split and picked up. We got another project. Jack that camp up. Get it off the ground. I should have built it higher when I built it, but I didn't for some reason. Now I gotta jack it up. Take these along with me. Company. Listen to the waves crashing. Next time I'm up with the saw, I might cut a little path here. Not too bad. Get in fairly easy. I gotta bring a chair down here. Oh, nice little breeze blowing today. Couldn't ask for a better day. It's just beautiful. Just something about the sound of that water relaxes the person. I'm gonna wrap this one up. Did a bit, trim the trail, cut around the side of the cabin there, cut the boards up. We need to dig out around the side of the cabin and jack it up. That's gonna be our next little project. Stick with me if you wanna see it, subscribe. And we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.